Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix iPhone wake up delayed in iOS 17. For example, if you press power button and you want to wake up your iPhone and it is has been delayed or takes too much time, so how you can fix that? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So the first of all, what you have to do, you have to check whether your power button is not damaged, which means you have to check whether it is working properly or not. And after that, the next thing you have to check is your iPhone case is not causing problem for your iPhone wake up, which means you have a good iPhone case so that it is not disturbing your iPhone power button. So if you have already done that, then you have to go for the next settings, which is as that what you have to do, you have to simply go for the settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of accessibility here. And the first thing you have to check whether your guided access option is turned on or on or off. So here what you have to do, you have to simply disable that guided access toggle, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down and you have to check accessibility shortcut, and you have to make sure that any kind of accessibility shortcut is not enabled, and you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, what you can do, you can simply go for the settings again, and what you have to do, you have to click on general, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset and you have to simply reset all of your settings, and after that you have to check again whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, what you can do is you can simply click on setting and again go for general, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on software update, and after clicking on software update you have to check whether any kind of new updates are available or not, and you have to simply update your iPhone to latest update. And after updating iPhone to latest update, what you can do, you can simply go for the next step, which is as that you have to simply restart your iPhone or reboot your iPhone. For this you have to simply press and hold the power button and volume button, and you have to make sure that it is working properly, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply turn on your iPhone again, and here what you have to check whether now it is working properly, which means it is not delayed. If it is still delaying, then you can simply go for the power button replacement, and you have to make sure that it is correctly replaced. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.